Hi everyone, welcome to Oracle SQL Masterclass. I am your instructor Rabin Karmakar. This is the first lesson of Oracle SQL Masterclass. In this tutorial, I will discuss about what is database. Number 2, RDBMS Examples. Number 3, what is SQL. Number 4, SQL Commands and their types. So let's understand what is database. Before we start writing SQL queries, we have to clear some basic idea or concepts. So a database is simply a collection of related tables. Those tables contains data and are organized with some rules. Now DBMS stands for Database Management System and RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Now some popular RDBMS examples are Oracle, then MS SQL Server, then MySQL, then PostgreSQL, and are some others. RDBMS examples are IBM DB2, MariaDB, and SQLite. So let's understand one real world database example. Suppose a school database, so it's having key entities like teachers, students, classes, subjects and marks. So basically these entities are related. Now teachers takes classes. One teacher can take one class or multiple classes. So there is a relation between teachers and classes, right? So likewise, so classes and students, these are two entities and they are also related. What is the relation? So the relation is like students studied in class. Okay, so in one class multiple students are studied, right? So one class having multiple students. So these are the likewise relationship in each of the entities in this database. Now what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the language to communicate with the database. Using SQL we can do, first is create tables. We can create tables using SQL. Number 2, we can insert data and modify data in the database tables or in database. Number 3, we can retrieve data from database. Number 4, we can delete data. Number 5, we can control access to the data. Now what is SQL commands and what are their types? A SQL command is an instruction to the database to do a particular task. So SQL has different types of commands. Their types are basically 4 different types. Number 1 is DDL, that is data definition language. So the examples of DDL are create, alter, drop. These are the examples of data definition language. Number 2 is DML or data manipulation language. So the examples of DML are insert, update, delete. Now number 3 is DCL or data control language. The examples are grant, revoke. Number 4 is TCL or transaction control language, and examples are commit, rollback. So you need not to memorize all these, because we will practice in detail each of these commands in the following lessons. Thanks for watching the video, and we will see in my next lesson.